Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your App Store language. First, open your device's Settings application. Scroll down and tap on your name at the very top, which leads to your Apple ID profile. This action will open a new screen displaying various account options. Please confirm you are connected to a stable internet connection for these adjustments. Make sure you are prepared to adjust payment information for the new region you select. Once you are in your Apple ID settings, look for the Media and Purchases section. Tapping on this option will present a small, clear pop-up. From this menu, you need to select View Account. This step may prompt you to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID for verification. Always ensure your account security is maintained throughout this process. This action confirms your identity, protecting your personal information. Now, within your account settings, you will see an option labeled Country/Region. Tap on this to proceed. A comprehensive list of countries and regions will appear on your screen. It is crucial to choose the correct country where your desired App Store language is prevalent. Remember, any remaining Apple ID balance or active subscriptions must be cleared before completing this change. You will need to agree to new terms and conditions for your selected region. Once you have selected your new country or region, you must thoroughly review the updated terms and conditions. Tap Agree in the top right corner to accept them. Following this, you will need to input valid billing information specific to your new region. This includes a valid street address, city, and postal code. Even if you choose None as a payment method, these address details are absolutely required to finalize the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.